just a quick demo on the HG P407 and the official HG lighting system that I've installed on the P407. So as you can see, the main beam of the front lights and the side lights are on. That's because I chose to wire them to stay on. So you've got your left turn signals, as you can see there, is on the front bumper and on the left hand side of the fender, and the same as the right hand side. I'll just show you the back there. So on the back there you can see you've got your normal rear lights, and you've got your reverse lights, and if you go, your brake lights automatically dim off, and rear indicators on the right and the left. I'll just give you a little side view so you can see on the side of the vehicle. Okay, so the side, as you can see, you've got the side indicators on at the back and on the front. And the other side, just for reference. You'll notice that those brake lights automatically turn themselves off. That's it for now. Thank you. Bye.